Hello guys, welcome to Passivern. In this video, I'm going to review Bookfire. Bookfire is the simplest appointment booking software that I have ever seen. They're running their lifetime deal on AppSumo, and you can create appointment booking functionalities by using this Bookfire basically. And they have single code and double code functionalities. On single code, you can have 100 customers, 20 service, 20 staff, and 1,000 appointments, but I'll recommend you to get double code because it's also very affordable, and here you will get unlimited customer, unlimited stuff. Now without further ado, let's go to the dashboard of Bookfire and let's explore how things work here and how it can be helpful for us. See guys, this is the dashboard of Bookfire, and here inside the dashboard you can see how much appointment you have, how many staff, how many service and customer you have. Basically you will get the bird's eye view of your dashboard here. Now after that they have view page. If I just click on this view page, then see here is the page. Automatically this page will be created. Here you can add your logo, here you can add one banner. I have added here one dummy banner. This is not looks very professional, but you can add here one banner. I hope you can see here is my banner. And then they have book now button. They have the company name, the company outline there have, and then they have one about section. They have the contact information, the location, your social media handle, and your business days. People can see from here, and then people can see the services. So very simple design guys. I'll show you every feature step by step. Now see, they have subscription here. Basically you can see your subscription details. After that they have setting, and from this setting you have to set up your company setup. So let me go to this company setting. See here I have uploaded my company logo, I have uploaded the banner image. You can upload your banner image. You have to here insert the company name, you have to here insert the company title, and then here email, phone, then address and details about your company. And then they have SEO setting. You can also insert here keyword description and social media handles. Here you can insert Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and WhatsApp. So these are the things inside this company setting. And then they have general setting. If I go to this general setting, here you can set up your time zone, you can set up your currency. Let's say I'll set up here, let's say United States, or let's say I'll set up here USD. So here is USD. Okay, here is El Salvador USD. Let me set up here United States. Yes. Then here currency position. See, there have two types of position. You can select number format, you can select the date format, you can select the time format, then interval setting. Then they have maximum time interval. Let's say here 30 minutes, 30 hours, any time you can set up. Then they have two theme, and this is one theme guys. As you can see, this is one theme that is selected. But let's say I'll select home 2 from here. Then if I select home 2, and see, you can enable the online payment, you can enable the offline payment, you can enable the ratings, you can enable staff, you can enable gallery, you can enable guest booking option, you can enable group booking. And see, at a time 3 people, 4 people, 7 people, 14 people can book your meetings. You can select these things, and after doing everything you have to just click on this save changes, and then it will be saved. Now I will refresh this page, and I think the appearance will change now. See guys, this is our new appearance. So these are the things guys, and why this change happened, because we have selected here home 2. Now if I select home 2, then it will be shown like that. Here this is company name, this is the company tagline. People can search here, and then here people can see the business days. See, if they click here, they can see the business days, they can see the company info, they can see the contact information, the social media handles. From here they can see, they can book appointment just by clicking here on this book now page basically. Hope you get idea. And from here they can select your service, they can select the location, you can set up this location. I will show you after some time, and then they can book you. I'll show you the booking process after some time, but in this way they can book you basically. And from here you can change these themes. That these are the things that I want to show you. After that they have working hours. You can set up your working hours from here. See guys, on Sunday, let's say I'm available from 1 a.m. to, let's say, from to 9 p.m. a.m. I'm available. You can add break also. Let's say the break will start at 3 and it will end at 3:30. In this way you can add break time also, and in every day you can set up your available time. And after doing everything, what you have to do, you have to just click on this save changes, and these available times will be changed in your home page basically. Hope you get idea. And then they have Twilio SMS setting. If you want to integrate Twilio, it's also possible. You can send SMS notification to your customer also by integrating Twilio. I'm not integrating because I'm not a user of Twilio, but in your case, if you are a user of Twilio, then you can use Twilio inside this Bookfire also. After that, there have payment setting. Here you can enable PayPal payment. You can enable here Stripe payment, Razor Pay, Paystack, and then they have Flutter Wave, Mercado Pago payment gateway is also available. So you can use these payment gateways from here. Then they have embedded code. Let's say you do not want to use this home page. You want to embed this entire page on your own website. It's also possible. What you have to do, you have to just copy this small code and then you have to add it on your website. That means on the back end of your website, then this page will be embedded. See, this type of page will be embedded. From here you can see the preview also. See, this page will be embedded here, but here this powered by Bookfire will be available. So these are the things. Then they have QR code. Now if I go to this QR code section, here basically you can share this QR code to your audience, and people can scan this QR code and then they can book your appointment. Then they have manage profile. If I go to this manage profile section, here you can upload your logo, you can change your name, email and phone number. Hope you get idea guys about this setting. After that, now I will show you the transaction. If I go to this transaction section, here basically you can see how many amount of transaction happened on this dashboard or on your booking page, but in my case no transaction happened, that's why everything is empty. But you can see the transaction date, for which service the transaction happened, and the customer name, price, status and action you can see from here. Then they have appointments. If I go to this appointment section, here you can see all the appointments. You can see the appointment date, the service, the customer, the staff. If you assign any staff for this customer, you can assign it. You can see the payment, and payment is pending, and status, let's say status will be let's say approved. You can change the status from here and they will get the email notification immediately. And you can sync it with Google Calendar. You can record the payment, and then there have the edit option. You can edit the information, you can delete it. Let's say I'll record the payment, and here price is this price, and then I will save it, so the payment will be recorded. See guys, now it's paid. So from here you can manually basically control everything. Hope you get idea. And here you can see the customer email, location and group booking. If he booked this meeting as a group booking, you can, it will be yes, basically Zoom no, Google Meet no. So these things they can choose from their end when they will book. Basically I'll show you these things after some time. Then they have calendar view. If I go to this calendar view section, from here you can see your booking pages calendar view. See, on this 2 April I have one booking for this service. I can see these things from here basically. Then they have location. You can set up your location. I have set up previously one location, see New York location. You can set up a multiple location, and people can select on which location they want to book. And let's say I'll set here another location. Let's say the location will be maybe Boston, and here you can set up the phone number. Let's say this is phone number, and here you can insert the address. Let's say Boston 111. Let's say this is a dummy location, and then you have to just save it. This location will be created, and people can select this location when they will book your meeting. Then they have staff. You can assign your staff. You can add your team member basically as a staff, and then you can assign them for different people. You have to just click here on this create new. You have to upload these stuffs image here, the name, email, location, password and phone number, and then this stuff will be added. I'm not adding new stuff here, but you can add your stuff in this way. Hope you get idea. And then they have customer. If I go to this customer section, from here you can see all your present and previous customers. After that they have service. Now if I go to the service section, from here see there have one service, right? There have one web design service. I have created this one service. Now how to create more service here? To create this service you have to come to the services section, but there have some problem inside this services section. See, this is the page. So this page is not working fine. I have tried a lot of time, and then I was able to create this service page. So after trying a lot of time, you can create this service page basically, because their service page have some bugs or some problem. I think I wish they will solve this problem as soon as possible. So it's very easy, guys. If this problem solved, then what you have to do, you have to come to this page, and then you have to insert one image, you have to insert the title, you have to insert the stuff, or you have to assign one stuff for this service, you have to insert the price, duration, and the description about this service you have to insert here basically, and all your services will be embedded here in your home page. See guys, here in this way the services will be embedded, and this number of service will depend on your code. See, on single code you can have 20 service, but on double code you can have 200 service. So depending on your code you can add the amount of service that you need here. And then they have coupon. You can create coupon for your customer and they can get a certain amount of discount. Let's say I'll create here one coupon. Let's say the service will be this web design because I have only one service, and then let's say the code will be free. Let's say fee 111, and then discount amount of discount they will, let's say 25%, and start date will be, let's say this date, and end date let's say 10 April, and then if limit, let's say limit will be 3. You can also select once per customer, and let's say not 3, let's say 35, and then status show or hide you can select, and then just click on the save. Then this coupon will be created. If anyone use this coupon, they will get 25% discount. And then they have reports. If I go to this report section, then you will get very detailed reporting about your booking page. See, from here you can see most booked customer, you can see your net income, you can see most serviced stuff, then you can see most booked service from here. In my case I have only one service basically. Hope you get idea. And this service basically here, this is one service, you can have multiple service also. Then they have gallery. If I go to this gallery section, here you can add some portfolio. I think let me upload some image. Let's say this is one image, and title, let's say test 111, it will be the title. And then if I go to this, if I click on this save, then this image will be saved. Now where will be shown these images? See, they have one gallery page. If I go to this gallery section, then your visitors will see this gallery. Basically here you can showcase your portfolio, your work, etc. See guys, this is one image, and in this way you can have here multiple images also. Hope you get idea, guys. And then they have pages. If I go to this pages section, you can create here multiple pages. See, they have already 4 pages. Now if you want, you can create here more pages. Just click here and then enter the title, slug, and description of this page. You will be able to create your page. This is the whole idea, guys. I'm not creating more pages here right now. Now I'll show you the last option, which is the most important option. This is basically how to book. Now to book this service, what people have to do, people have to come to this page, right? So I will copy the URL of this page, and then I will open this page in another window. Let's say I will open it on this window, and then I will book as a customer. So see, this is the page that people will see, and from here people have to book. So let's say I will book for this service. So if I enter to this service, then as a customer I will see the service name, the payment amount, I will see the duration, I will see the service description, and then if I like it, I can book it. How to do it? From here they have one book now option. So in there have another appearance. I hope you can remember. Here inside the service option there also have one book now button, but in this appearance or in this theme there have only one book now button, and it is situated on this home page only. So let me book now. Let me click on this book now option, and from here let's say I'll select this Boston, I'll select this service, and then here let's say here I'll select group meeting, let's say 3 person, and 3 person is not available, I think. If I just click here continue, then it's not working. Maybe group option is not enabled for this service. So let me here disable it, but I'm not sure why I cannot continue. Actually I cannot continue. Maybe my limit has been done, guys. I'm extremely sorry about it. But what people have to do, they have to just click on this continue button, and then they have to select the time and date, and then they can book the service. Hope you get idea, guys. And after the booking, what they will see, now I will show it. They will see this type of interface, guys, and from here they can see the service name, the amount they have to pay, the time they will get, they will see the company name, they will see the status and payment status, and automatically one Google Meet link will be created. They will also get this type of email notification automatically, and here is the Google Meet invitation link they will get automatically. And whenever you will change the status, they will get another email notification in this type. See, this is confirmed, and they have gotten the confirmed email notification. Hope you get idea. They can join to the Google Meet just by clicking here on this button. So these are the things that they will get from their end as a customer, and this is the whole idea behind this Bookfire software. And you can also use your own domain when you will create the account on this Bookfire. They will ask you whether you want to use your own domain or you want to use their domain. So if you want to use your own domain, then you have to select it, and then you can change this domain also. So you can white label it also from here. Hope you get idea guys about this Bookfire software. The software is really straightforward and very easy to set up. So if you are looking for a simplified appointment booking software, then you can get this Bookfire lifetime deal from AppSumo. I'll give the URL of this Bookfire lifetime deal in the description of this video. Just go to the description of this video and get the 10% discount on this Bookfire lifetime deal. They have only one problem guys. Their service functionalities is not working sometimes. See, it's not working, but sometimes it work. Hope they will solve this problem as soon as possible, and I'll give the URL of this deal in the description of this video. It's an affiliate link guys. If you use this link to purchase this amazing deal, I'll get a small commission without costing you any additional costing. So if you think guys this video is helpful for you, then please consider using this link to purchase this amazing deal. And the last thing is, visit our website www.passivern.com to get more tips and tricks about growing online business. Also, join our VIP lifetime deal discussion group through the description of this video. And if you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel yet guys, then please consider subscribing this channel. Thanks again guys for watching this video.